Get ready to embark on the most thrilling chapter of your student life in the heart of London with Northfield Avenue W5 student accommodation. Nestled in the serene, leafy suburb of Ealing, Northfield Avenue W5 welcomes you with a selection of fully furnished ensuite apartments. Inside your cozy haven, you'll find a warm and inviting bed, a Wi-Fi-enabled study area, spacious wardrobe, and ample storage for all your essentials. Plus, the in-unit bathroom ensures a sanctuary of personal space, while the fully fitted communal kitchen is where culinary experiments and shared meals await. As you step outside, you're just a 5-minute drive from the University of London. But the adventure doesn't stop there. World-famous sporting venues like Twickenham and Wembley Stadium are a short drive away, and the enchanting Kew Gardens is just across the Thames. If you're in the mood for some retail therapy, Westfield White City, one of the country's largest shopping centers, is less than 5 miles away. And when you crave the bright lights of central London, a quick tube ride from Northfield's Tube Station will transport you to iconic landmarks and the dazzling world of theater in no time. The Northfield Avenue W5 is more than just accommodation, the gateway to an extraordinary student life. To get started on your excellent student life experience, visit amberstudent.com and book your stay today.